Machine Techs is a versatile team with a passion for problem solving, providing CNC and industrial machine sales, service, and engineering based in Tomball, Texas. Established in 2015, Machine Techs began focused on emergency machine repair and has evolved to meet a broader spectrum of industry needs, supporting our clients' ability to meet deadlines and sustain continued growth. Machine Techs is a non-exclusive supplier of new and used machines. Our goal is to provide appropriate solutions tailored to your budgetary and production needs. All machines purchased through Machine Techs undergo qualifications and include an installation and support. Our responsive procurement team has the unique ability to source hard-to-find and obsolete parts. In the instance your part is unavailable or procurement timelines are outside your required schedule, our engineering specialists are capable of reverse engineering virtually any electrical or mechanical parts and components, getting your operation back up and running when your production is on the line. In addition to our vast sales offerings, Machine Techs continues to provide a comprehensive suite of services including preventative maintenance and qualifications, rebuilds and retrofits, on-site emergency troubleshooting and repairs, 24-hour remote electromechanical support, and automation and production consulting. For immediate quotes and consultations, contact us at machinetechs.com.